Hola chicos!
I have product for you.
And I have product for Juli.
For now, let's try these ones and
let's
then
try.
maybe we can open the other ones to give a try.
Let's
go. Our faces are already washed and clean, so we are gonna start to do the skincare. Do you wanna start with me or?
I'm gonna put Goso on you, or you're gonna do it on your own?
No, you.
I'm gonna put you. Okay.
You're gonna put the cream on me and I will put the creams on you.
Okay.
This is a test. How good we are in the skincare.
Alright, let's do this. I will start with you first.
Are you gonna start with me?
Yeah.
Bueno.
Which one are you want me to start with? It's the toner, right?
Sí, the toner. Sí. Do you wanna like a cushion for the toner or? I don't think so. No, I'm gonna.
No.
Okay. A ver, let's see. I'm testing you, eh? My skin is gold, so take care of it.
Okay, I will take out the Goso.
Okay. I'm ready for this.
Oh, it smells good.
A ver, I wanna see. Wow, it smells good. I like when the skincare products doesn't smell like alcohol. I hate when they have those smells. Like
Pretty difficult to find these days that it smells like that in Korea, I
some
think.
products smell like that.
Yeah? Toner first.
Toner. Which one it was this one? The Marine Energy, first
Essence.
Marine Energy First Essence.
Hey,
So-
this is a 10th limited edition. I did not know.
Wow.
Very light.
It's a little bit heavy.
It has un poquito of that,
Sticky.
but it still has it's more like watery.
Bueno.
Tá. Ahí está. You sure you didn't put nada on your face, right? You look like you have a makeup.
I don't have makeup.
You don't have makeup? Oh, then your skin is already super good.
What are you doing?
I always do this to myself.
Ah, bueno. Ahí está. Put un poquito en my eyes too.
Okay.
Ah, masajito.
Face spa.
Comes with a massage?
No,
¿Cómo? Don't mess my hair.
I'm not messing your hair. I promise.
Okay. It feels good. I will put a little bit more.
It was too poquito.
Oh.
It's actually when I first put it on my hand, it was more sticky, but I think
In the skin it
gets-
doesn't. So in the skin it doesn't look sticky at all.
just say it's okay.
Super good.
Ah, it's so good.
Oh, amazing. 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. So fast, already 10 out of 10. You didn't even go
Now
through
is your turn
halfway.
of toner.
I will go with see.
I will go with the toner. Manito lavadita. Ah, que se te quita. Ahí vamos, eh. Okay. This one, it looks un poquito. No, it's water.
It's the same as the other texture.
No, I think it's more watery. A ver, come closer, please. Do you need more? Wow.
Ah,
It smells good too, eh.
it's actually almost not a smell actually.
I smell un poquito.
I think it's the, the other one.
A ver,
It's
it
good.
looks good. Okay, you're shining already. By then, you're gonna be the sun itself.
I'm on fire.
Okay, your turn.
Okay, what is the next one? It's Ampu.
See, I think this one. And then this one.
And then that one I think in the end.
No, this one, it comes before the cream.
But that is too watery.
No, it's always
Okay,
a
then
cream.
after this and then
Okay.
that. Green tea Ampu.
Wow. I wanna try, a ver.
Super like Despacito.
Oh my god, I like it. It feels like,
Feels like.
I don't know how to describe it. Like refresh.
It didn't say it has a calming effect.
I like to put my lips too.
Ah, it smells super good.
Oh, me encanta.
Want un poquito of mine?
A ver, I want un poquito more. Ah, me encanta.
It's good, no?
It's good. I mean, my skin is good. Okay, now it's your turn. I will use this, the
Whitening
premium
one?
whitening perfect ampoule.
Okay.
Okay, this color I like too, eh? The like gold
Gold
style.
style, yeah. I thought it was gonna be more white color.
Okay, it's my turn. Wait. Do you want me to put it in the skin directly or here?
Do whatever you want, it's okay.
I will put it in the skin. Come closer because I'm short. It's going down. Wow. Bye. Oh, super soft. It's a little bit more sticky than the one you use for me, but even.
Or is it just my face?
I think it's a little bit more sticky, but it's good.
Ah,
You like it?
I think it's super good. Okay. Let me smell it.
You're
I like
trying.
how all these products are pretty light because I never liked too much of heavy products.
Heavy products, even for when you do skincare for the makeup, are horrible. Make your makeup like a paper.
Yeah, it's pretty like not so good. Especially like people like me who sweats a lot.
Okay.
Yep.
I don't sweat, but I still look like a paper.
Okay, next one
Next one.
is the
This one. I think we
That's
should.
your favorite
Yeah.
anti-wrinkle effect eye cream. No?
This is only for the eye cream, like around the eye here. I don't know
Okay,
if.
so I need to use only like small amount.
See, yes, small amount. Don't put
I
a
need
lot
to
because
put it
my
all-
eyes are small. Even when my eyes are big for my face is small.
Your face is small.
Look, come.
Why do I need to be your comparison? Compare with the chimichurri here.
Come. Why you have that face? Ah, you're
Okay.
bonita, mi amor. Ay, qué bonito. So beautiful you are.
I don't believe you.
Come closer to me, mi amor. A ver.
Anti-wrinkle, let's do this.
Okay.
I think I would put directly on the eye.
No,
as if-
here. See.
Why?
It's like that.
Okay.
Put it here. Okay, it has a small color, like cream.
It's like a
color.
lotion kind of density. It looks like.
Okay.
This too small now, or do you think?
I
should-
think it's okay.
It's okay,
Let's try
right?
with that. Así, and then así.
Okay.
Don't pick my eye.
Well, it's anti-age, so maybe your eyes have a wrinkle too.
Okay, and around here too, in this part.
See, close your eyes. I think it's better.
Eyes.
I'm not done yet. Don't open your eyes, eh? Okay, otro eyes. You can open the other eyes.
Why? So you want me to one close one open?
Close your eyes. I said close your eyes. Why do you keep opening again and again?
Because for putting like in the down part is better when it's open.
It's more difficult for me. My fingers are super like big for your eyes.
I told you, my face is small.
Ahí está.
Okay.
Oh, it has like this skincare smell,
A ver.
the cream smell.
But it's cool. A ver.
good, I like
I
it.
want to try to see. Okay, it's soft.
It's soft.
I like when it's soft.
I think it does what I mean. The wrinkle happens, they say, is because of the
Soft.
dryness.
Yes, and I can tell it's not sticky. It's like soft and it's like putting an essence in your skin.
Water, yeah.
See, I like that all these like
Pretty light
lines of Miguhara has this like more watery like texture.
Yes.
Okay, my turn. This is Wear Intensing Cream and this is Essence Cream. I think this one is first, right?
And then that one may be the last.
Ah, okay, I like this.
Okay.
But I'm un poquito afraid that how it's gonna come out. I was trying it. It smells super good. Smell it. Smell good.
I like how it has no smell and almost no smell and the soft.
Smell like a green tea.
I don't think green tea has a smell.
See, smell like this. It has this smell of the grass. No,
Grass?
when it's like just wet, because it's just rain, and you come out from your house, it smell like wet grass.
Very like defined like explanation there.
I like that smell. That is why.
I think it's too poquito.
See, your face is like long.
Hey, my face is not long.
I will put.
It definitely has super good smell.
I told you. I will put in your eyes. Can you come closer?
Don't forget the neck, chicos.
You forget the neck with me.
You have no nado there.
A ver lo de lips. Ahí está. Wow. I think the result is amazing, eh?
Oh, it's so good.
So good. Me encanta. I love it. Me encanta el packaging también. Y es bueno para. It's good for the hands.
We have-
Everything is good for my hands.
My hands are already shining. So far, we put like 3 different products, and I don't feel like I put 3.
No.
For like almost like only 2, maybe at the most. Skin and lotion, kind of.
Exactly. It feels like light. I don't have nada. I don't even feel my skin.
I don't think that is a good thing.
Okay, now the last one. I was waiting for this. I
Okay.
think this is the big one.
It looks super like pretty. I will use the one that is already here.
Okay. Okay.
Ah, it smells so good.
It smell good? My carita is gonna be, my face is gonna be like green tea. Oh, it smells super good.
In the last part, I will do that.
Ahí está. So good.
It puts a lot of like water on your.
You know, it looks like, you know, the shell that you put, people like use after the having a sun like burn, and it refreshes that your skin.
Yeah.
It feels like cold.
That, see, I think that's
Exactly.
what is almost the same.
Wow, a ver. It's like that. It smells even like that.
See, I like it.
Me encanta.
This is why I like green teas. Green tea are good.
I don't like green tea for eating, but I think for like using it in my face, mwah.
Good. Instead of eating it, you can put it on your skin.
Okay, the last one for you is the Water Intensive Cream.
I think that, I bet it's the most dense, right?
See, let's see. It's coming.
Yeah. It's almost like a
Para
density. It's like a. It's almost density has like a Vaseline. No.
It's dense, but it's not super dense. I will try on you. I think when it touches the skin, it becomes more like an essence. I mean, it says intense cream. I didn't put too much. Can you come closer? My arms are too short.
Your arms are not that short.
I can feel it. It's heavier than the others one,
This is the last part, I bet.
but I like it.
I think I would prefer to use these either before sleeping
Okay.
or during the winter time or some
Okay.
fall.
I
Because
understand.
for me it's un poquito too
Heavy.
dense. See, it's dense. And
Pero it makes your skin like covered.
Moisturized.
Yes, exactly.
okay, now the last part will be the sunstick.
Yes, I love sunscreen. I think it covers better the skin and protects
Oh, it has
better.
the same smell of the green tea. Do you want me to use on your first?
Okay.
Oh, I like how it turns like I see like that.
You didn't notice it?
No, it's good, it's good. Oh, your skin is so shiny, I'm afraid that it's gonna clean it off.
Oh,
No, I don't think so.
it's doing it?
No, I can tell it's covering up all the
Okay.
Skin,
It feels
because-
soft. It looks like I'm putting like small light butter.
butter.
Yes, it looks like I'm putting a butter in my. Soon I'm gonna start dancing like BTS.
Now you're saying whatever.
Okay. I like it, eh?
It's good, no? Mm-hmm. But I can see now that how it covers because your skin was shining, but now this is what are you doing?
I put my lips.
Bueno.
It needs like sun protection.
Now I can see like it's less like shining because it's one layer covered deep like this.
Pero me gustó.
See, I think it was good.
It's not so soft like the rest of the cream. Of course, it's
It's a
sunscreen.
sunscreen.
Ever you come closer, please? Why you put like this?
Because you're so short.
Okay. I understand what you're saying. Now you should sing like me. Small light butter. Vamos, mi amor. Sing.
I actually feels like I'm putting the lip balm on my face. You understand? Like the texture feels more like a lip balm.
It's like creamy. It's not dry. Super creamy. I like it, eh?
You should put it well on here because it's where I get the most freckles. Not there. Better?
A ver. My skin feels like soft.
It's almost like a sunstick plus what is it called? Like lotion?
Lotion. I feel it more creamy than
That
the
is
rest.
the most creamy.
The rest of the creams were more like water style.
I think overall the Miguhara products are generally more soft and more
Soft.
watery. It's maybe it's for the sensitive, delicate skins.
I think it's good
Yes.
because you have pretty sensitive
I
skin.
have pretty like
I mean,
delicate
I am
skin.
okay with everything, but I prefer the skincare has more water texture. I love it.
I like.
I like. You know, I feel the Mi water needs. It's okay. I feel the Mi water needs only the.
The face mist.
Yes, I love those things. Recommendation.
Okay, well, that's it for the review. I think it was pretty fantastic.
Yes, now with our super pretty face, we say thank you to Miguhara for these wonderful products.
And we all recommend these products for you guys to
Yes,
try
I think-
because I have sensitive skin and I mean Julia has good skin. All of these, I think everybody needs to give it a shot. It's really, I recommend it. Personally, I recommend it. I don't say this too often.
I'm shining.
Recommendation.
I'm like a star.
She's always shining.
I'm like a shining star who comes from the sky to like illuminate your life.
That's called marriage.
Thank you so much to everyone for joining and watching this video.
And I hope you enjoy this video and maybe enjoy the products that Miguhara offers you. I hope to see you guys in the next video too.
Ciao, ciao!
Bye bye!